Had it about 3 years ago. It was pretty. Every time someone arrives on the front porch, my wife just goes,
I'm on first name basis with you.
Yeah. He knows now to take it back to the garage. He goes, if it's got my name on it, take it back to the garage.
You did a great job. It's beautiful.
I leave that on there so everybody knows it came from me. I got a lot of hours in it. And I set out in the garage door last winter. I started on that for a week. I didn't get it out of the garage. And put all of it and I took it up off the bottom of the top. But I didn't get it out of the garage till July. I thought I'd have it out there even first of May. I was just lucky. I put new foam in the seat in front of it.